That's interference.
Just saying. That's a shot.
That's a shot.
Like 2-0. That's a shot.
Jackie with a baby and she runs all the time after that.
Give it on the wall. Jesus, sorry.
I asked her if she wanted another one. She says no.
Get there, Nemo.
It's 3:40 something.
Exactly. You know, I'm like, yeah. She's probably trying to get it right the second time.
I don't know. I couldn't see it.